Hello everyone, this is Tejashwini N from BCA Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. Today I am going to talk about security in cloud. Contents: meaning of security in cloud, goals of security in cloud, why security in cloud is important, main cloud security issues and threats in 2020, advantages of security in cloud. Meaning of security in cloud. Cloud security is also known as cloud computing security. Consists of a set of policies, controls, procedures, and technologies that work together to protect cloud-based systems, data, and infrastructure. From authenticating access to filtering traffic, cloud security can be configured to exact needs of the business. Goals of security in cloud. Three primary goals of security in cloud. Preventing the loss of availability. Availability means keeps the data and resources available for authorized use, especially during emergencies or disasters. Preventing the loss of integrity. Integrity means that data is protected from unauthorized changes to ensure that is reliable and correct. Preventing the loss of confidentiality. Confidentiality means that data, objects and resources are protected from unauthorized viewing and other access. Why security is important in cloud? With cloud storage, your data is backed up to the cloud rather than stored on site or nearby. Cloud security prevents this issue as the data is stored in remote locations, protecting your business from the threat of data loss. Cloud security is essential for many users who are concerned about the safety of data they store in cloud. They believe their data is safer on their own local servers where they feel they have more control over the data. Main cloud security issues and threats in 2020. Misconfiguration. Misconfigurations of data security settings are leading to cause of cloud data. Unauthorized access, insecure interfaces, hijacking of accounts, lack of visibility, external sharing of data, cyber attacks. Cloud security features. There are 5 cloud security features are data security in cloud, client side efforts, data location, legal status and ACLA, service level agreement, shared access. Advantages of security in cloud. Protection against DDoS means distributed denial of service. Data security, regularity, compliance, flexibility, high availability and support. Thank you.